What's up guys, I'm Razvan Brezan and I'm a physiotherapist, and today I'm going to share with you some of my favorite exercises that will help relieve your neck pain. Types of neck pain. Firstly, the 7 most common types of neck pain are muscle pain, muscle spasm, headaches, facet joint pain, nerve pain, referred pain, and bone pain, each with their own causation, diagnosis, and treatment. Anatomy. Bones and joints. The neck has 7 cervical vertebrae, C1 to C7. Osteoarthritis will wear the cartilage between the joints and will cause the bones to rub each other, producing pain and stiffness. Muscles, tendons, and ligaments. There are large muscles in the neck such as the sternocleidomastoid muscle or the trapezius muscles. Neck pain or strain to these structures usually involves overstretching or tearing of these muscles and ligaments. Nerves. There are 8 cervical nerves. C1, C2, and C3 helps control the movement of the head and the neck, and the other ones are responsible for the functional control and sensation to the different parts of the body. Causes. Neck pain can be caused by muscle strain, weakness, worn joints, nerve compressions, injuries, or diseases. Treatment. Without further ado, let's move straight to the exercises. Those are the exercises that I use for my patients as well, with great results. They are incredibly effective and you really have to try those out if you want to get rid of that annoying neck pain. If you find those effective, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below, and I would love to hear your experience with them.
Shaking underneath, trying to take me alive. Get ready for the fallout. everything at stake. I thought I would take it all back. I just wanna make this thing last, but we're running out of time. We both do it alright, holding on but I'm losing the fight. Could we run away? I know if we just hit ground, running, closing off all the world with the light coming in, bending before we break. Don't you know you and me, we can run away. You and me, we can run away. Run away, run away. For someone that wasn't worth the wait, counting down the days. Wondering I'm moving onward. I just wanna trust in your word, but we're running out of time. We both do it alright, holding on but I'm losing the fight. Could we run away? I know if we just hit ground, running, closing off all the world with the light coming in, bending before we break. Don't you know you and me, we can run away. You and me, we can run away. Run away, run away.
Want to learn more about the pathologies and how to treat them, make sure you subscribe to our channel.